Hey web developers, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 CSS tricks that will take your web design game to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tips will help you create beautiful, responsive, and efficient websites. So let's dive in. First up, we have CSS variables. These allow you to store values like colors, fonts, and sizes, and reuse them throughout your style sheet. It's a great way to keep your code clean and maintainable. Just look at how easy it is to update the entire color scheme or spacing of your site with just a few changes. Next, we have Flexbox, a lifesaver for creating responsive layouts. Flexbox allows you to design flexible and dynamic layouts with ease. Whether you're centering content or distributing space, Flexbox makes it a breeze. For more complex layouts, CSS Grid is your go-to tool. It allows you to create two-dimensional grid-based layouts, giving you greater control over your design. With CSS Grid, the possibilities are endless. Now let's talk about pseudo-elements like before and after. These are perfect for adding extra styling without cluttering your HTML. Just like that, you can add cool icons or decorations to your elements with minimal effort. Last but not least, we have CSS transitions and animations. These add smooth and interactive effects to your elements, making your website more engaging. Whether it's a hover effect or a full-blown animation, CSS makes it easy to bring your designs to life.